Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube family. This is me Anum here. Hope you are all doing well. So let's go into our topic, a dialogue between two friends. Assalamualaikum, good morning. How are you? Wow, I'm very surprised to see you. I'm fine. And how are you? I'm also fine and thank you. What are you doing these days? Nothing special. I just read. In which class do you read? I'm doing FSC. Wow, very nice. Which college do you go to? I study in Aisha Degree College to Lahore. Good. Where have you been for a long time? Yes, I went to Karachi to my aunt. Wow, very nice. How did your days pass? Great, very wonderful. Where did you go there? First of all, I saw the zoo, and second, there traveled to the sea and wandered in many places. Wow, that's great. When did you return to Lahore? Just returned a few days ago. Good. Okay, so when will you turn towards me now? Surely soon, inshallah. Inshallah. Nice to meet you. I liked it too. Okay, now I'm going, then there will be a meeting. Take care of yourself. Yes, of course. You too. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.